Harrington. At Disney. Gamreoli yn y fan yna, ond dal cyfle i gael y creisiad i fewn. Yn edrych am Mike Wild ar peniad ac yna Jack Kenny! Hyfryd gan Cei Connah, 13 o funudau wedi chwarae. Y bêl yn cael ei chodi fewn gan John Disney. Mike Wild ar naid. Ac yna Jack Kenny ni gosod ti'n gelfydd i gefn y rhwyd. Tîm cartra ar y blaen. Cei Connah 1, y Bala dim. Arsan. Franklin o Anton ac un y dyfarnwr benderfyniad am hyn. Ydy o'n mynd i'w bocad ôl mae hwn yn gerdyn coch uniongyrchol i Harry Franklin. Dim bwriad o gwbl i chwarae'r bêl. Na i Marsan. O mae o mewn poen go iawn. Smith. Venables. Dim ond yn ei gosod ti Callum Bradley. Yn rhedeg at Tony Quay. Bradley'n dal i fynd. Callum Bradley rhediad da gan Bradley. Mae'r meddiant dal gen fo Bradley ar ergyd o'r bediad o'r safon ucha gan Alex Ramsey. Wel, amrediad gan Callum Bradley. Nath o heibio i 4-5-6 o amddiffynwyr y Bala. Mi gafodd o'r ergyd i mewn. Ffyrth ar cliriad, yr gwiriad oddi ar Rosgro. Wel, dath o'n byd o'i le yn y fan yna, Adam Rosgro. Bron i'r Bala, union i'r sgôr. Da ni fewn i'r chwarter awr ola. Rosgro! Dyna chi, gol gampus gan Adam Rosgro. Dros y mur, i gefn y rwyd, chwip o gol. A mae gyfartal Cei Connah 1, y Bala 1. Ffyrth, mae'r un peth i digwydd eto. A mae'n ras rwan rhwng Newell a Ffyrth. Newell, mae yna i Rosgro. A'r bêl yn cael ei chlirio rwsyd rywfodd. A nid am y tro cyntaf yn y gêm, y golwr yn gwiro cliriad yn erbyn cefn un o chwaraewyr y Bala. A bron i'r Bala, fanteisio a mynd ar y blaen. O smonach yn y cefn unwaith eto gan Andy Ffyrth.
To be honest, I'm disappointed that once they've gone down to 10 men, we haven't punished them more. I think it's hard when a team sits in, like they did, and rightly so. They're winning 1-0. If they sit in and they keep a clean sheet, they win the game. Well, I just didn't think we did enough today with the ball just to break them down enough. I know we ended up getting equaliser, but I just thought with the ball we could have been better.
We don't concede many goals as a football club, and we know we're comfortable out of possession. We're trying to evolve the group in terms of having more possession and being a more possession-based team. Difficult on here today in certain conditions, but I thought in and out of possession, I thought we were very good. We still carried a bit of a threat on the counter-attack with a couple of chances, and ultimately, you walk away probably pleased with a point, given that 65 minutes with 10 men. However, still feel that that was a good opportunity for us to pull away.
Don't score many like that too often, so it was never normally on free kicks, so that made a change and just managed to put it in, thankfully.
It's got to be up there with one of your best goals, surely.
Probably is one of the best, yeah, definitely.
And it'll be there for goal of the season, I think.
I hope so. I missed out earlier in the season on probably a better one, I reckon, so hopefully make it this time.